teacher Gladys Nyeko from Hilda Nursery and Primary School in Gulu. I am so grateful this evening for what you people have given us, the teachers in need. You came and trained us for the first time.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Some formats, and these ones are just samples. It simply means that even other groups can do the same way. Altogether, and these ones they simplify learning because they are attractive and they have a variety.
This teacher is at Wakorach, the mathematics primary 3. For this day, I'm so grateful for it, especially to teachers in need for the initiative that they've taken to come this far up to Gulu to teach, make sure that teachers in this school are given knowledge that they will use to change the children. Me personally, I've learned a lot, especially for this day. There are things I never thought of, but today I'm seeing them coming into reality that they can also be used to help the students, especially the use of bottle and bottle tops and flashcards. We used to think Manila is the only way we can make our flashcards, but today we have learned that we can also use these plain papers plus the cardboards to bring quality flashcards. We are so grateful for it.
My name is Achille Gloria, a teacher in Hilda Nursery Primary School. I'm so grateful for today's training. It was really so marvelous. I was able to differentiate between diagrams, lengths, consonant nouns, consonant sounds, and special sounds, where it means the same as vowel sounds.
My name is Odile Brian Armstrong, a teacher at Hilda Nursery Primary School in the city. I'm very happy today for I've had a team from Teachers in Need Africa. In fact, I've been following you through your Twitter handle, Facebook and WhatsApp from the Teachers platform.
Our children were completely down. They didn't know how to sound well. They couldn't form sentences, some small sentences. They couldn't read. As teachers also, we did not know how to handle handwriting and reading. But after the first training, you helped our teachers a lot. We developed many teachers who could now handle reading and handwriting in different classes. We started also teaching afresh using the RICA approach. Right now, I am so grateful that our children can read. They have learned the sound, the syllables. We have moved far ahead. Our parents are so happy and appreciating the school for going in the next level. And this time round, we have also learned a lot of things. I've learned how to teach children to read in the segmentation words of which we did not know. But right now, I can teach them very well and they will become better children. And I've learned different strategies of teaching reading. That has also helped us a lot. And I've also learned how to create different materials to support in teaching reading. I am so grateful and happy, and I pray that you people will come back and continue where you've ended at this moment. Thank you so much. Before the first training, our children were completely down. They didn't know sounds because we were just teaching them.
This is Hilda Nursery and Primary School, the best school in northern Uganda. We love you.
What mouth? What mouth has letter? How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 letters. 5 letters. And how many sounds? It has sound out, and sound mouth. Now it has 3 sounds. All together? It has 3 sounds. This is a sound, this is a sound, this is a sound. And these words are called, words made out of sounds alone. They are called pure sound words. They are called pure sound words. All together? Yes. Yes, thank you very much. Now these are the learning styles. Audio, kinetic, visual, read and write. But which styles do we use most as teachers? Not only here, but in Uganda. Sorry? We use audio and read and write. Isn't it? Yet these styles and the stages of the learners, like they are still young. These styles are not good for them. Are we together? The best style for them is kinetic and visual, where they learn through seeing and they learn through what? Doing, touching, movement. Are we together? So if you're that teacher who has been using audio and read and write, just know that you are not giving them enough what? Enough information. Then we should change. Are we together? We should change. Then with that, members, I would like to inquire, do you need a lot of money to conduct a holistic lesson or a comprehensive lesson? Do you need a lot of money? You just need to take time and make research, understand what you're going to teach, and prepare yourself ahead of time. If we do that well, our kids are going to become extremely active, be it in reading. If you look at the reading that we have been showing you, we have been showing you majorly the hands-on reading. Not this one of just blackboard. Are we together? Thank you very much.
That is primary reading. I must say these 2 days was so much of great help. Me personally, I learned a lot of things. But what has just opened a lot is the teaching steps or the stages of teaching. You realize we are teaching, mixing a lot of things, but after learning these stages of reading, I believe things are going to be okay.
At the beginning, I didn't know much about sound, how to differentiate sound, degraph, and syllables. And now in this second training, at least I've learned to differentiate the say and the sound, and also the split degraph. That is the iPhone. Thank you so much. I wish you come back again.
So according to you, what is that thing that has changed ever since we have been training?
Thank you. The children have gained confidence. They have gained confidence by express themselves. That is one. Then also their reading has improved. Yes. You find they can now join the syllables, the sound, some words.
Live and direct from Gulu. And this is Gulu City at Hilda National Primary School. We started with learners assessment, then a 2 days training that has ended today. We strongly believe that if we are to transform Africa, we should greatly invest in our teachers and transform our teachers. And we all need informed teachers, transformed teachers, inspired teachers, and motivated teachers. And that's why we strongly believe in the team teachers. Don't go away, keep watching Teachers TV Africa, and don't forget to invite us to your school, at least to put an impact. And in any part of Africa or the world, we are ready to bring the team influence and impact. May God bless you. See you then. I'm Teacher Peter Okwari from Teachers in Need and Teachers TV Africa.